This is how to make money while you sleep. And no, it's not a joke. It's actually a real thing. You see, there are two ways to make money. The first way is the traditional way, working for money. You trade your time for money. The second way is to have your money work for you. To do this, you need three things. Know. 1. Some money to get started. No. 2. A bank account with a high interest rate. And no. 3. A long-term investment. Here's how it works. You put your money into a bank account that pays you a high interest rate. Then you invest that money into something that will take a long time to pay off, like a rental property or a piece of equipment for your business. And here's the magic. As your money earns interest, you can use that interest to buy even more investments, which will earn you even more money, which you can then use to buy even more investments. And this will create a snowball effect where your money will keep working for you even while you sleep.